Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Entrepreneur TV Middle East. We're here day one at the Fintech Summit, and with me is Imran. He is the COO of the Commercial Bank of Dubai. Absolute pleasure meeting you, and thank you for coming.
Good morning, and thank you very much for having me.
How are you? All good
I'm
today?
doing very well.
So tell me, what's new in the Commercial Bank of Dubai?
Well, every day is a new and exciting day in the banking field. The CBD is at the forefront of innovation and digital innovation,
Right.
specifically. Exciting new products. We've recently rolled out a very big and exciting campaign with our partners from Smiles. It is a lot,
Okay.
which is an interesting credit card proposition for our retail banking clients.
Okay, amazing, amazing. Where do you see the trends going, in the future of finance?
Well, I think if I want to be proven wrong, then probably this is the time for it. I think the pace at which the trends are evolving is very difficult to predict.
Right.
But I think with the AI and the pace at which it is evolving, probably this is the most exciting decade to be part of the financial services
Right,
sector.
right. And I have to ask you a little bit about AI, obviously. How do you see AI evolving that whole sector in the next 3 to 5 years?
Well, we see it actually being the foundation as we have put in the bank a strategy, what we call AI at core.
Okay.
So essentially, we do not see one specific area getting evolved. We truly believe that AI as a technology will be actually embedded into the banking and financial services sector at its core.
Right. And do you see any other emerging technologies that are going to be a big part of the finance sector?
We do. We see essentially a combination of technologies between AI, IoT, blockchain, and eventually leading from quantum computing, some of the challenges we also see in terms of cyber posture for the industry eventually.
Right, right, amazing. So you did pick question seven at part of your leading in fintech revolution questions, and it states which sector within fintech, such as payments, wealth tech, or rec tech, do you foresee undergoing the most transformation in the near future, and why?
Okay. If I were to put any order, I would say payments. We
Okay.
already see in the last 5 years been an amazing transformation in the payments technology space, and it will continue to be. Followed by what we see a very clear evolution right now in wealth space, the wealth tech to follow. I think RegTech is again something core. We already have seen it, one of the most emerging technologies in terms of making us more efficient in managing regulatory technology.
Right.
But to me, I think in an order, perhaps payments and wealth will
Okay.
be the most disruptive ones.
Okay, interesting. And how do you think your wallet is going to look like in 10 years? What's going to be inside?
I don't think I will have a wallet. I don't
Okay.
have a wallet even today. My wallet is my phone. I think 10 years from today, perhaps even the phone will not exist. I'm very excited about Meta's vision of having a wearable, and a wearable essentially will be embedded with a wallet inside.
Okay, interesting. Let's see where time takes us, right? You never
Absolutely.
know. You never know. One last question. Since you're such a prominent leader and such a big bank and institution here in the UAE, what sort of advice would you give to all those younger, leaders that want to aspire and have your career path one day and want to enter the financial sector?
I think the only advice I can give today is essentially try to challenge yourself not to be in a comfort zone and really hang on to the emerging technologies.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Ali. It was a pleasure speaking to you.
Pleasure.
And we wish you the best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Pleasure.